boys and girls. Let's get started on our morning message for today. September 11th, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is Friday. The weekend is here. Do you have fun plans? Love, April. Today, when I was writing this, I actually had a moment where I forgot that you call me Miss Phrase, and I wrote April. I almost rewrote it and changed it to Miss Phrase, but that is my first name. You will call me Miss Phrase, but I didn't want to waste the paper, so that was my mistake. If I wrote a letter to my mother, I would sign it April, because that's what she calls me. Anyway, let's go ahead and echo read. I'll read, then I'll point to you, and it's your turn. September 11th, 2020. September 11th, 2020. Dear boys and girls. Dear boys and girls. Are you saying it? It is Friday. It is Friday. The weekend is here. The weekend is here. Do you have fun plans? Do you have fun plans? Love, April. Love, April. All right, let's go ahead and read it together. I'll count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. September 11th, 2020. Dear boys and girls, it is Friday. The weekend is here. Do you have fun plans? Love, April. Did you read along with me? I hope so. Let's go ahead and find our meatball spaces. We're going to do a word, a space. Say it with me at home. A word, a space, 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 a word, a space. A word, a space, 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 a word, a space. All right, I'm going to move this back because I'm not sure you can see all of it. Let's go ahead and count those words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Only 19 words today. The sentences that I wrote today are kind of short. Usually I say a little bit more, but my sentences today are shorter. Let's say that I had one less word. How many words would I have? When I count, what number do I say before I say 19? Or you could look at the 9. What do I say before 9? Well, 8 comes before 9, and 18 comes before 19. So one less than 19 is 18. Now what's one more than 19? If I had written Miss Phrase here, it would have been another word. What would that be? What is one more than 19? When you count, what number do you say after 19? Well, you would say 20. 20 is one more than 19. All right, so something that I think would be important for us to talk about today in our message is our uppercase letters at the beginning of our sentences. And our punctuation at the end. Today's message, I have an exclamation point, a period, and a question mark. We always start our sentences with that capital letter, and then we go all the way to the punctuation mark. So that is one sentence. And it says, "It is Friday." I have an exclamation point, so I say it with a very excited voice. I'm excited that it's Friday. Maybe you are too. I love the weekend, even though I love school. Now, there is a capital F here, but that's because that's the name of the day of the week. Just like my name is capitalized and your name is capitalized, we capitalize the days of the week. The weekend is here. That's a complete thought. It's a telling sentence. I'm telling you that the weekend is here. So I put a period on the end of that sentence. So far we've had a period and an exclamation point, a sentence full of emotion, a sentence that tells you something. Now I've got a new capital letter starting this sentence. Do you have fun plans? Do you have fun plans for the weekend? There, I put a question mark. And the reason is because that's an asking sentence. I'm asking you a question. So we have, 3 sentences in our message. And this paper does not want to stay on here today. All right, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for our sight words, our popcorn words, before we finish. So if you see one, tell me when to stop. Did you catch the A-N-D? That's the one we always have. And. I-S is. Oh, did anybody catch T-H-E? The. Is. I-S. Oh, did you yell stop there? Y-O-U spells you. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ahead and make my popcorn since I have the yellow one in my hand. And I'm gonna write, oh my goodness. So my paper today is very difficult. Don't know why it keeps falling off. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. So we have 5 sight words. Let's go ahead and read them. Can you read them with me? And, is, the, is, you. All right, boys and girls, have a fabulous Friday, and I will see you soon.